Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides a single sign-on solution for Magento, and as we know, it is the best SAML SSO solution available in the market. So in this video, we are going to see how to set up attribute mapping. Let's get started with the setup. Now, go to the Attribute Mapping tab. Attributes are user details that are stored in your identity provider. Attribute mapping helps you to get user attributes from your identity provider, IDP, and map them to Magento user attributes like first name, last name, etc. Firstly, enable the Update Attribute checkbox. This helps you to update automatically users' changed attributes. Now go to the Attribute Mapping section. Check the test configuration results under the Service Provider Setup tab to get a better idea of which values to map here. Mapped username, email, first name, last name, role values according to test configuration. Now click on the Map Billing/Shipping Address checkbox to map the billing address value. Fill the billing address attributes to map the billing address value. If your shipping address is the same as your billing address, then enable the Same as Billing Address checkbox. Your shipping address gets automatically filled. Then click on the Save button to save mapped values. Now scroll down to the Custom Mapping section. In this section, you can add custom attributes that are received from your identity provider. Enter the attribute name which you want to get from the user. Then click on the Add button to add the field. Go to the test configuration and enter the value in the text box. If you want to add more attributes to get user information, follow the same process. After entering all the custom attributes, click on the Save button to save all the attributes. If you want to delete any custom attribute, copy the attribute name and paste into the Enter Attribute Name field. And click on the Delete button. Then click on the Save button. Let's see how the attribute mapping works. Click on the Sign In. Here you will see SSO button on your customer login page. Click on the button and perform SSO using Azure AD. You will be redirected to Azure AD's login portal. Enter your Azure AD login credentials and click on Sign In button. Here you can see mapped attributes that you mapped in the miniOrange SAML extension in Magento. You have successfully set up attribute mapping. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at magentosupport@securify.com.